this is Artist in Me by Tanishi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review of the Plum's new Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Light Sunscreen. So let's start, guys. So I got this package free from a grocery order. So this is the package. See, guys. So cute packaging, right? See, guys. Hyaluronic Acid Super Light Sunscreen of Plum. So let's open it, guys. So at the back, open it. Okay. Oh, see, guys. So cute. Oh my gosh. It is so cute, guys. Just see it, guys. It is so cute. So let's open it. Okay, it's sealed. Carefully I'm opening it. Okay, guys. Oops. So guys, actually it fell on my hand too much, so okay, nothing will happen. See, guys. Oh my gosh. Let's apply it on my skin. This is so hydrating. There is no white base on it. Very hydrating also. See, guys. So I give this a 9 out of 10. Yeah, I'm giving this a proper 9 out of 10. It's very good product. I will buy the bigger one. See, they have already written it. Like our mini go get biggie. So cute. So let's insert the tube there only. So bye, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe my channel, and also click the bell icon to get the notification from my channel, and comment also and share, please.